Ni tend kaunti ma Kisumu koro oketo kenge motegno ahinya mabiro neno kaka ginyalo gayo weche mag ohula mosebedo koro kathaga ahinya oganda e gwenge mopogore opogore kaunti no ma Kisumu. Maler mochiw kanyo to kod Gavana ma Kisumu Nyong'O e seche mabende koro nochiwo twak makende ne od bura. Onogono twak mabende koro notimo tombo ya Labour College e chuny boma ma Kisumu. Nyong'o omedo ni kuom mano nyaka gi sani koro giseketo kengego mag neno ni koro giloso apeini, tie apeini kod mtaro moko mabende nyalo biro miyo koro pi kadho kendo dhi kuma dwarore moko hinyo japiny kata bende koro komono japiny dhi nyime to kod tije mapile ka pile. E sechego bende koro wacho ni madhi miyo koro chiwo thuolo makare ahinya bende ne jogo mantiere gwenge mopogore opogore go mondo yud tijego ni margi no imiyo gi tijego mondo mi koro gitim.
In COP27, we have reached a point of no return. Inaction will mean catastrophic outcomes for life on this planet. It's for this reason, Mr. Speaker, sir, that my government prioritized the formulation of County Climate Change Policy and Kisumu Climate Change Act 2022, for which I thank the Assembly profusely. Mr. Speaker, sir, I must thank the Assembly through your leadership for this. The Act operationalizes the County Climate Change Fund mechanism, where the Climate Change Council, the County Climate Change Planning Committee, and the World Climate Change Planning Committees were institutionalized. The World Climate Change Planning Committees have formally been established in every ward to coordinate and identify climate investment for local action. And Mr. Speaker, sir, my Minister for Environment is busy at the moment with myself, working with certain foundations so that we can realize resources to make these committees work at the local level effectively through our afforestation. The Act also provides for 2% of county development budget to be used for climate investments and projects in all our 35 wards, particularly in supporting tree planting. And that's why I mentioned our negotiation with certain foundations, and we should call it to a meeting, perhaps during the investment conference, 19th to 22nd December, so that we can meet together in dealing groups to make a reality of these proposals. This institution gives Kisumu County a mileage in localizing climate change action and hence contributing to the nationally determined contribution, NEC. Mr. Speaker, honorable members, our overall activities in the area of environment will not only impact climate action but also how we live in our dwellings. Studies have shown that by 2050, the world population will be living in urban dwellings. We must take cognizance of this. We are therefore called